Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. This is Taz from Taslima Maya Art, and today I'm going to be doing some bloom coasters, a set of 4 using 3 colours. So let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, do consider hitting the subscribe button, and please leave a comment and like and share with your friends who are interested in anything creative or artistic, from paint pouring, acrylic, fluid art, mixed media, sculpture art, or any other type of art. And thank you so much to my channel members for all your support. And that's Art by Sparkle, Travelling Tramps, Terry Lechner and Kim Cuervo. Please go support my channel members and their channels, and here are some discount codes for you as well, so you can save some money from my affiliations. That's colourart.com, resoners.com, pandahall.com and Artistic Painting Studio. So welcome again to another installation of the Fluid Art Express. We have the usual suspects today, all the great artists that I work with. Up after me will be Venom Fluid Art as usual, so the full playlist is down in my description box below. Welcome to my home studio. So I'm going to be doing some bloom coasters, as I said, and the colours that were chosen for these were chosen by my workshop participants the day before. I've also got some super exciting news to reveal, so do stay tuned. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do a really basic bloom. I've got some colours that were picked out for me by some of the participants on my most recent workshop that I ran. So we're going to start with a 10 by 10 centimeter tile. This is a glossy tile, and I'm going to just add my pillow paint on top, like so, and just make sure it's going right to the edges. And again, you know, it's been a while since I've done blooms, but I've been playing around with cloud pours, I've been playing around with reverse flower dips. What else have I been doing? Palette knife painting using sculpture paste. I've been playing with texture paste. So I've been doing a lot of other different techniques and having fun with those. So I'm gonna probably start getting back into blooms, and I really want to try a deconstructed bloom at some point as well. Okay, we've got that. We're going to start with our colours now. So we've got a couple of colours. We're going to start with this beautiful Prussian blue hue from Pebeo, which is an opaque colour. Let's pop that on. It's very thick, this as well. And the next colour I have is this one. You can see my consistency is really thick. And this colour is actually Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. Okay, beautiful. And then we've got this gorgeous yellow ochre. Okay, so let's put some of this on. There we go. And then I've got that was the yellow ochre, by the way. And again, that was from Pebeo. All 3 colours are from Pebeo. That was an opaque colour, but the green blue was actually a diner colour. So now I've got my Australian Floetrol, very watery, which is mixed with Oxide black, Amsterdam. There we go. Let's pop that down. There we go. I'm going to just blow down into the paint. So that is my bloom, looking fabulous. and I'm just waiting for this really to take effect. I'm going to pop that down here for a second. There we go, better lighting. Hopefully you can see it slightly better when I bring it up now. So you can see my cells forming. Lots of beautiful cells in this one. And I'm just going to go around the bits which I'm not totally a fan of, and just put some swirlies in. There we go. I'm quite happy with that. So I'm just waiting for the page to go back into the middle. Beautiful cells. They are gorgeous, aren't they? And everyone loves the bloom. I'm going to start spinning it out in a minute. So you can see already that it's getting bigger. And I want to take it to the edges. I can see a little white dot in the middle, so I'm going to just poke that back in. There we go. Got rid of it. I'm going to try and get it as thin as possible in terms of the layer of paint that's on my tile. Okay. So a bit more. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so this is how it's looking. So very, very beautiful. I hope you like that. Here's some examples of others that I was doing practicing with. This one. Really, really nice cells. And then there's another one, but it's a little bit wet, this one. And I'm going to do a couple of others. Pop another one down. Let's do another one. Let's try a different tack now. We're gonna put them in puddles. I'll put this one on opposite sides. seconds. Then we'll get the cell activator. Okay, one last spin and then we're done. So I'm doing a coaster set. I've got so far 3 that I quite like, very unusual ones. And I'm going to do one more. So this is the final one for this. And here are the dry results, my friends. Some beautiful coasters. I'm going to be resining these in a day or so, and they'll be heat resistant, so I'll be able to use them as coasters or sell them. I really like these. They're very, very pretty, beautiful cell lines, and they dried super well. I'm going to be playing with other colours in the coming weeks and colour combinations, so if you've got suggestions, pop them down in the comment box below for me. So any colour combos that you really like, let me know what they are and I'll give them a go as well. Also, I've got some super exciting news for you. I've been meaning to tell you for a while now, but there's been something I've been working on quite hard behind the scenes, and that's my new Patreon account. Come along and get to know me and my art better by supporting me on Patreon. The link is down in my description box below for you. So you can get exclusive content, behind the scenes videos, Patreon shoutouts, unseen footage and much more, along with associated perks for each of the tiers. If you are a current YouTube member, please do consider moving over to Patreon, as I'll be phasing YouTube memberships out. I also want to show you something else I've been working on, just playing around really with taking some of my poured blooms and flower dips and digitizing them so I can play around with them on a computer using Photoshop and AI. And here are some of the exciting outcomes from this. Many moons ago I used to be a digital creative working in the industry as an animator, and this reminds me of that. Do let me know what you think of these in the comment box below. So that's it for me this week, and up after me now will be the amazingly talented Darren from Venom Fluid Art. See you there.